Alright, what's up YouTube? It's June 22nd, 2026, and this is a trade recap on how I got break even and made only $55 today. So let's get into it. So coming into the day, I saw that high time frame, like daily chart, 4-hour chart, we're moving higher. Pretty obvious, right? We're moving higher towards this all-time highs draw over here. Right? All-time highs right there. We're just moving up to it. So kind of just bullish until proven wrong type of buy for today. So then 4-hour time frame, saw that we were going to create this 4-hour gap at 10 a.m. But for the trade that I took, didn't really matter to me. Then went into the hourly and saw that we had this 1-hour intermediate low over here and then this buy side liquidity. So yeah, this buy side liquidity over here, and then the sell side liquidity being the 1-hour intermediate low. And then in between this, we had this hourly fair value gap, which at the time that I took this trade, we didn't close above it and we didn't inverse it. So I'll show the significance now. So we're pretty much just bouncing between the 1-hour fair value gap, bearish one, and this bullish 30-minute. Then coming into market open, which was right over here, market open 9:30, we came up and we mitigated the hourly fair value gap. We mitigated this 1-hour fair value gap, and then there was a short trade that Patty took over here. Let me go into here. There was this short right here at 9:32. So it was a short right here after we tapped into that hourly gap. That was over here, and it was a short to the 30-minute, with the 30-minute being your break even point and then just targeting simple 1-to-1. And he got break even on that. And then he also took this trade that I took, which was a 1-minute iFVG long out of this 30-minute gap. And I'm just about to go into exactly why I took this trade, confluences, pros, and cons. So first up, we had this 30-minute gap, which was the only thing kind of holding us up. And given that I was bullish, obviously, with all-time highs being relatively close, I was bullish. So I was just looking for just any entry for longs, pretty much. And I seen that we got this 30-minute tap, filled CE of the gap, got an SMT off of the 30-minute gap. Because if you look at ES, we didn't hit the 30-minute, and this trade was like around over here. So we didn't hit the 30-minute gap, but we still did have true manipulation because ES hit this 15-minute. So ES and NQ had a reason to go up, with ES being a 15-minute gap and NQ being this 30-minute gap. So then after this, I saw that we got this 1-minute iFVG over here, and I was targeting, originally I would have wanted to target this 1-hour intermediate high over here, but unfortunately I kind of made like a little stupid error, human error, and instead of entering over here with market order, I accidentally took a limit order, and then I didn't get filled on that limit order. So then I had to exit that limit and then re-enter a market order. And I got filled like somewhere like over here-ish area. So targeting a 1-to-1, it wouldn't have gotten hit. So I ended up having to target this buy side liquidity over here and just went break even at the 1 hour intermediate high. And what ended up happening was came up, swept that 1 hour intermediate high, which I would have liked to take profit at, but unfortunately I couldn't. And it hit that, came lower, stopped me out at break even, and that's pretty much it. Got stopped out at break even. There was also a 2 minute short, which was kind of right where I exited my position. This 2 minute short right here with that resweep of the hourly intermediate high and targeting all this LR down here. The main bad thing about this trade, which made it a little bit of a pattern trade, is that we had this high resistance low right here. So where's the drawing tool? Brush. This right here, this low was a protected low. It was high resistance because it was inside of a key level. Swept the CE of the 30-minute gap and an SMT, which makes that kind of high resistance, which is the main bad thing about this trade, which makes it a little bit of a pattern trade. But other than that, this 2 minute short was also good. And after this, it was kind of just really range bound price action. If you look at the 5 minute, just chop, just up, down, up, down, up, down. And for me personally, what I think was trade of the day is probably that 30-minute or 30-second iFVG short that Patty took right here, which I didn't end up taking. That's probably trade of the day. I also like this 1 minute long though because it goes more with my bias for the day, which was bullish. So that's why I ended up taking this 1 minute long. And I think it's a good trade personally. Just unfortunate I got a bad entry and couldn't hit TP because of that. But it's whatever, just a little human error. And hopefully we can end this week strong. Right now, we're up $55.50 on the week just from this break even trade. Uh, and the funded, we're almost back in profit. So I think I was down like, where is it? Positions, account summary. Uh, it doesn't show the numbers, but we were down to around 48,000, like 700 or something, and I was $700 away from blowing the funded, but now we're back almost at break even, so pretty good comeback. And yeah, hopefully we can end this week strong. $500 to $1,000 gain, maybe. That'd be good. But yeah, that's all for the trade recap, and I'll see you guys in the next video.